What's up, guys? I just had a pretty cool delivery. Just did a block delivery for this guy to make a new kiln for his clay sculptures, and this guy makes some pretty cool stuff. You never know what you're gonna run into doing this job, but check. This guy makes these really cool sculptures. Here's some over here. He's got some little pots and stuff. But the cool thing is he gave me a cool tip. He gave me this little shot glass made out of clay. Pretty dope. And what's awesome is I'm a shot glass collector everywhere I go. Hawaii or around the country or wherever I travel. I got probably over 50 shot glasses in my collection. I got some that celebrities drank out of. But he didn't even know I was a shot glass collector. And this is really cool to put into my collection. But never know what you're gonna run into out here, man. It's pretty cool. So one of the things I like about the job, stuff I get to see and people I run into, keeps it interesting. But that's pretty cool delivery. I appreciate that. That was a nice tip, and I'll definitely remember that one and put it on my shelf. So thanks to this guy, I'll remember this one. But hope you guys are having a good day. Take care.